यार पावर की जो बात आती है ना, आज है तो कल नहीं है. एंड लाइफ आई हैव ऑलवेज बिलीव लाइफ इज अ फुल सर्कल. वन डे यू आर अप, you will come down at one point of time. No, undeniably you'll go back up.
Yeah.
लेकिन उसको भी टाइम लगता है. So it has its own course.
Women have evolved, right? From being homemakers to now being bread earners, right? We have evolved. I feel that contrary to that, men have not evolved as much.
I suppose it was the support system, it was the creative effort, the team, and obviously I can say my hard work that made it what it is. मैंने अपनी दिल की ही की है, मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी अपने टर्म्स पे जी है, मैं ये डिनाई नहीं करूँगी और मैं आगे भी यही करती रहूँगी. तो मेरा तो मोटो ही ज़िंदगी का यही है, अपने दिल की करो, जो करना है करो, एक ज़िंदगी मिली है, जी लो.
क्या बात है, एकदम फुल पावर है.
Everybody was against it. My whole family was against it. I come from a defense background. My dad was an army officer. सबने कहा नहीं मत करो, नहीं करने देंगे, नहीं हो पाएगा. I think that was the defining moment of my life when I said कि I'm going and I'm doing this.
हाय, मैं हूँ उर्वशी ढोलाके और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शुभोजीत के YouTube चैनल पे.
हाय, मैं हूँ बरखा बिष्ट और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शुभोजीत के YouTube चैनल पे.
हाय, मैं हूँ यश सहगल एंड आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शुभोजीत के YouTube चैनल पे.
हाय, मैं हूँ रीवा अरोड़ा और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शुभोजीत के YouTube चैनल पे.
Thank you so much. Like,
Thank
share and
you.
subscribe. भाई 3 की शक्ति को त्रिशक्ति कहते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे इनके साथ अगर एक और जोड़ दो तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द काइंड ऑफ फोर्स दैट दे आर गोइंग टू बी क्रिएटिंग. एग्जैक्टली वही फोर्स मुझे यहाँ पे फील हो रहा है विद देयर प्रेजेंस ओवर हियर. एंड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पावर ऑफ 5. तो वो 5वां फिलहाल अभी इंसान मुझे समझ लो. इनके लिए सब लोग जितने भी लोग हो बजाओ जोर से ताली. क्या बात है, लव इट. You know, we're talking about 5, we're talking about power as well. With power also comes, you know, abuse of power, right? I want to go to you guys later, but then given the kind of experience you both have in the industry and also in life, tell us about that one moment where you have kind of dealt with abuse of power, but you have handled it very, very efficiently in life.
Wow. Dealt with abuse as in where I have abused my power?
No. Someone else perhaps
वो
might
तो मैं
have.
बताऊंगी नहीं.
नहीं, किसी और ने किया होगा, बट आपने बहुत एफिशिएंटली उस चीज को मैच्योरिटी के साथ हैंडल किया.
ये तो आई थिंक बहुत होता है. एवरीबडी somebody has more power than you, right? और ऐसे बहुत से लेवल्स होते हैं. So I mean,
At least I'm happy I got the thinking shoes on.
yeah, I mean, नहीं ऐसा बहुत होता है यार. There's so many people who are more powerful or in a position of power and you have to handle it maturely. But एक incident यार, Shikes. ऐसे बहुत incidents हुए होंगे. Honestly, now that you're saying one, I mean.
I hope this is the first time this question has come to you today.
Yeah,
हाँ, actually.
for sure.
अब अगर रिपीट होता तो फिर वो चलता रहता ना टेप रिकॉर्डर की तरह. रिपीट नहीं, इसलिए थोड़ा सोचना पड़े, which is fair enough.
And वो भी abuse of power जब भी हुआ है in different stages of my life, I have reacted differently also. You know, so it's very difficult. But
Yeah, I was just going to say the same thing.
हाँ, but
No, I don't think so. I'm ever going to say that who has abused their power to pin me down or to put me down. There have been plenty of people along the road and along the journey. But, and rightly enough, like the way she said, because we started off at a very early age and stage in our lives. We've matured from then to now.
Of course.
And our reactions have always been very different. And of course, it will vary. You know, we've been rebellious as well. We've given it back also. We've been quiet as well. It all depends on how you want to react and reciprocate to it. Do you want to? I've come to a point where I don't want to give more power by reciprocating also. You understand? Because I truly believe that karma is going to come back and bite you right back where you supposed to.
Yeah.
So, and it does, yes.
yeah.
बहुत फीलिंग के साथ निकला
हाँ,
statement.
बहुत फीलिंग के साथ बोला है मैंने. And यार पावर की जो बात आती है ना, आज है तो कल नहीं है. And life I have always believed life is a full circle. One day you're up, You will come down at one point of time. No, undeniably you'll go back up.
Yeah.
लेकिन उसको भी time लगता है. So it has its own course. So on that note, I'm just not going to say that yes, whoever has abused their power towards me can
buzz off. But
Yeah.
मुझे एक चीज बताइए, we talked about that aspect, right? You both give this very interesting vibe of fierce, strong, independent women. And जब कोई औरत, they realize and they tap their true potential and they show their strength, कभी-कभी आसपास के लोग जो है ना, वो डर जाते. They're not able to handle that power or that aura that's created around them, right? Have you ever experienced that in your life?
Oh,
where people
yes.
have not able to
Yes,
have...
all the time.
oh my god, a gazillion
Yeah.
times, and then I have to
Yeah.
literally tell them I'm not going to bite you. I won't bite. But then I mean to say that's their complex talking, and not mine. I can't help it if you are going to feel afraid or you're going to feel inferior. तो नहीं
Threatened.
बोलूँगी, but
Threatened.
yeah, if you feel
Threatened.
threatened, that's your complex to deal with, not mine. That's not my problem to deal with. I am who I am. If you can take it, go for it. I'm to say if you can match up to that. I'm higher standards.
Yeah. क्या बात है? In your case,
I just feel that women have evolved, right? From being homemakers to now being bread earners,
Yeah.
right? We have evolved. I feel that contrary to that, men have not evolved as much. So whilst it is good to say, hey, I have, say, a wife or a sister or a girlfriend or a whatever who is working and is independent, financially independent, their ability to evolve to this change, I think that has happened at a slower progress. Women have evolved
I agree.
faster. So we have transitioned and said, ki, okay, we can be home runners and we can also be bread earners. But the men, to say that women can be bread earner, if we are the bread earners, we're going to come with a certain set of attributes, attitude, personality traits, which I think the men have not been, they haven't evolved yet enough to be able to accept that. So whilst there are a lot of supportive men, but I think they also struggle with the acceptance of the whole concept of a woman being the bread earner or being an independent woman, like you
Correct.
just said. So
Correct.
that I think I face.
But
a
then
lot.
that's fear, right? That's exactly what I said. That's a
Yeah.
complex that is
Yeah.
within them.
It is
With- and
conditioning,
it is for
you
them
know.
to tackle that.
Correct.
Nobody will be able to help them on this.
Yeah, and
matter.
while they're tackling it, I mean, yeah, at times you tend to lose people around you and then you tend to see people change around you. So yeah, that definitely happens.
fair enough point. Yash and Riva, for you, if I may ask, you both are growing in the entertainment industry at a time which is quite different to the time when they had, arrived and they were thriving, right? I constantly hear this thing कि, as far as casting is concerned, लोग पूछते हैं कि यार acting बंदे में दम है कि नहीं है, बंदी में दम है, के लिए उसके social media followers कितने हैं, right? To balance both aspects as an artist is very challenging because आपको पता नहीं है कौन सा थोड़ा ज़्यादा करना चाहिए to kind of fit into that scenario, right? How do you both maintain and strike that balance in terms of being a reputed and credible influencer and at the same time being a good performing artist जिसको अगर आप कोई role के साथ भरोसा दे के if you get them on to bring them onto the table, they know that you will do a good job.
I think mainly it is your acting that speaks for itself. When as an actor, you showcase what you can do, trying different things and doing different roles, approaching things with a different perspective, looking at it differently is how you evolve as an actor and how you are. And I think being an influencer mainly for me because I've been an actor first.
Yeah.
And I've always been an actor since I was a child actor. And even while I started Instagram pretty late, I started TikTok pretty late. I started that around 2019 and or 2020 in lockdown. And I think for me, my Instagram and my fans, they love me, they support me so much that I'm grateful to that. And Instagram is just a cherry on top for me. That I'm being loved by millions, that I have so many people who love me all together. And I just want to now try more things as an actor, do different things as an actor, plus try new things on Instagram as well.
Basically, you're like the MS Dhoni of that space, जो last में आके एकदम छक्का मार के game उड़ा के लेके जाते. That is what it is.
Could say
Yash,
that.
Yeah, of course. And Yash, I want to know your point of view on that, brother.
So obviously, as she said, we are an actor first. This is something which is there. Obviously, as much as I don't like it when they are like कि before when they are casting, they are like, can you tell me तुम्हारे followers कितने हैं?
But ये
That-
पूछा जाता है. It's a reality.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. It's a big reality. Before audition, they'll be like, can you first send us your Instagram link or something? As much as I don't like it, we have to accept that it is there. So it is something. But again, I'm an actor first, so there are times when I post content, but that is solely because I want to personally, and I like posting. I like shooting reels sometimes, so I post. But it's not something like कि okay, because something is there, they want me to, that's why I'm posting. It's not ऐसा कि I'm, as I said पहले भी कि as if I'm compromising something. It's not that. I'll post content when I feel like it. If I'm having fun, I'll just record it and I'll put it on Instagram. But again, I'm an actor first, and performance speaks for itself. So yeah, and mostly I post all my work and acting stuff only on Instagram. So there's that also.
You know, I know that you're building your own niche as an artist. धीरे धीरे, it's just the, you know, going forward only. But of course, you know, playing junior Ranbir Kapoor has been an integral part of your. अपने squad के भी junior Ranbir Kapoor हो, all the girls are crushing on you. सच बात बताना, you know, mummies over there. But then you can be, you know, raw and honest, right?
Yeah.
Huh? You
Yeah,
get that?
yeah.
Very humble.
That I accept. Gladly. There are times.
Yeah. But have you kind of seen the kind of rage that they had, these two women who have worked with you when they started? You know, इनके ऊपर भी बहुत लोग, you know, अलग तरीके से फिदा थे, क्रश वगैरह करते. They were मेरी जुबान काली हो गई है फिलहाल, उसको वापस पिंक कर दो. अभी भी है. I love that spirit, huh? But because
Absolutely.
you get that, and you've always enjoyed because it only motivates you to become a better version of yourself,
Yes.
right?
Of
Do you agree?
course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Of course it does.
अब थे तो ऐसे बोला मैं ये कंप्लीट कर ले अपना सेंटेंस, फिर मैं बोलूंगी थे.
You know, but I think that's something that really, you know, makes it very, very fascinating, right? You know, when different generations work together, there's always, I feel, a cross exchange of energy and cross exchange of learnings as well, right? I want to ask you to, honestly, something that you feel तुम्हारे generation से they can learn, and one thing that you both feel कि from your generation can be work ethics, work values, which if the young generation imbibe in their work culture, it's going to be very, very beneficial for them in the long run. You both can start, ma'am.
One thing I would want this generation to learn is humility, to stay humble, because like you said, they are growing up in a generation where they become viral overnight, where they become famous overnight, right? And it seems like, oh my God, this is so easy, right? And when something happens very easily, you lose, you know, the gratitude for it. So I think what they should learn, I am not saying that they don't have it, what they should definitely stick to is humility, to always stay humble. Like, I mean, I have heard Urvashi today several times. She has been questioned about her iconic character. And all she has said is that I only have gratitude.
Yes, so
you
true.
know. So, and so many years down the line, to say I only have gratitude, I think that is a quality that I feel these people should always think, that you are never going to be bigger than the show. You're never going to be bigger than a film that you're doing. You are never bigger than any of that. So just remember that always, and yeah.
Absolutely. Ma'am, your point?
I think what they need to learn is total focus. Because मुझे नहीं लगता कि आज की generation में वो है. Focus है, लेकिन उसके बाद में वो एक point के बाद वो खत्म हो
It's
जाता है.
diverse.
Yeah. And then they think, because there are so many different platforms, because there are so many different options that they have to
So
choose
true.
from, so they, you know, so their focus also gets diverted. And that's the one thing that they will need to hang on to, you know, with all their power that they have within them. Because only if they focus will they reach their goal, otherwise they're not going to get there. Because of so many diversions and so many distractions, it's going to be very difficult. So that's one thing that they will have to learn what to do.
Fair enough. Quickly from you guys, one thing that, you know, they should adapt from this generation. They're looking forward to your answers, huh?
They are already like
Slaying everywhere.
They're slaying everywhere. They're already, you know, they're already sarang.
This,
They're already
Sarang.
loved. They
Yeah,
already
yeah.
know
Yeah.
everything. I
Yeah.
don't think so. We
Yeah.
have to tell them that they need
Must
to.
be
They've already
something.
caught on.
I mean, personally, not both of them.
Yeah, in
because,
general, we're talking about general.
in general, what I've seen, what I've observed in when I talk to a lot of my other friends who are in this industry, who are a little older than me, is something that they have also said to me a lot of times, that when they have also worked with few actors, they obviously they are seniors, but they don't have that thing inside them to like be new, do something creative, do something other, do something
Resistant to
different.
change
yeah.
is what you mean,
They are
right?
like, okay, if
Adapt
this
to
is working,
change,
if
he
this
means
is
to say.
working
That
for
is
me,
true about a lot
since-
of senior actors.
Yeah.
actually.
So they're
Adapt
like, if
to
this
it.
is working for me for a few years, I'll still do that.
That they-
So
Comfort zone में
they
रह
stick
जाते हैं
to
उनको
comfort zone में
बदलना
रह
नहीं
जाते
है।
हैं।
They try new things.
No, but then also,
Yeah.
I mean to say, have they got the opportunity to do that also? Also,
Exactly.
matters.
नहीं
It's
यार
like
कुछ
a
लोग
catch.
opportunities मिलती हैं भी
हाँ,
फिर भी
मिलती
नहीं
भी नहीं
करते
करते हैं, वो correct
Yeah,
बात
so
है।
that is something
Yeah.
which I talk about. I talk loud.
I love your honesty यार, सच
अपने
में,
दोस्तों के साथ
genuinely.
मैं बहुत बातें करता हूँ. So this is a topic which I
Yeah.
obviously not learn, because obviously they have worked more, they have a lot of
Correct.
experience.
No,
मुझसे
but
बहुत
absolutely
ज़्यादा
this is
काम
something
किया.
we need to
You
learn.
are-
This is something I've
Not us.
observed.
Yeah, of
But
course,
yeah.
of course. Like I
They've
said, you know,
already-
cross learning is
Yeah,
something that's
yeah,
always there,
exactly.
right? Ma'am, first of all, I'm so very happy that finally people are giving you that love, and most importantly, the creative people, they are realizing कि ये जो मोहतरमा है, ये जो artist है, she can do so much beyond
much.
than
Yes.
negative stuff, right? Which is, I think, so nice. But I want to know, of course, people have talked about the iconic Komalika so many times, right? But मैं अगर देखूं, I was very young at that point. I was to see the serial with my mother. I'm a 95 born kid. But even now, from 95 till now, I can say that उस level का iconic negative character
Has
television
never
में
happened.
has
Never.
not happened, right? Komalika still remains the OG. What do you think has been the biggest reason behind that?
I honestly have no idea.
I think it was your bindis.
Also the BG, that
It
there
could
is
be
to
my saris, it could be my pixie haircuts also. It could be
Yeah,
everything.
actually.
But
It
I
could be that.
honestly have no idea.
Oh yes, yes, he has a
The-
point.
It's-
That
It's her.
that
It's
twist.
just her.
That
twist.
twist.
Yeah. I've seen a lot of people doing that.
You could say it could be my performance also.
But that
No,
twist
I
was
think
brought from your end.
No,
I think it was no. Okay. So if you have to put it that way, if I have to credit, then I have to give the credit to everyone around me who made that possible. Basically, at that point of time, for me, making it happen, it was the belief that Ekta had in me, that because she had told me, and I was in that, we were in that. उस टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं था जब उन्होंने पहली बार मुझे बोला था कोमलिका, पहली बार तो मुझे नाम नहीं, मुझे समझ नहीं आया उन्होंने क्या बोला, मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये कोई नाम है.
Yeah.
Alright, I didn't know.
You're a Bengali.
Yeah.
Yeah. Komalika means Kamal Jaisi,
I know.
which I got to know later. And then she told me, you're going to be the... What? What did she tell me? At that point of time, I'm telling you. उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Vamp.
No. not
Negative
that.
lead.
No. That was something, you're going to be the next sexy thing on TV. And I was like, it's like that. Because you don't even have that thing. कि भाई अगर ऐसा हो सकता. I was like, yeah, sure. But then that belief and that support system that you got from Peaches, and then you were like, you've got to make this. You've got to do something to make it yours and to make it happen. And then dheere, gradually you start working on the sets, and then it just boom, one day it was like, it was like, okay, fine, you're done for. Because when people wanted to come and slap you, then some people wanted
That's
to,
when you know that you're doing a
then
great
some
job.
people wanted to, be you.
Yeah.
And then you were like, okay, that's okay. So something's happening. But I never let it get to my head at that point.
Which
of
is
time.
very important. You talked about humility and all as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't. I never let it get to my head. Though I let the character get under my skin. I'm not going to deny that. There used to be times when my friends used to say, "Can you switch off? Can you please switch off?" because 24 घंटे काम करते थे वो time पे, हम लोग ऐसा नहीं था. I suppose it was the support system. It was the creative effort, the team, and obviously I can say my hard work that made it what it is.
Last question to you all would be कि हर एक इंसान के जिंदगी में कोई ऐसा moment होता है. I personally like to call it करो दिल की मर्जी moment, where there are so many advices and suggestions around you, but then you give a damn to others and you only listen to your heart full-fledged with entire conviction, right? आपके respective जिंदगी में वो करो दिल की मर्जी moment क्या रहा है? If I can start with you and we'll finish with Riva this one.
Oh, बाप रे. इनका तो I can still say they've hardly lived their lives. हम लोग की तो इतने moments रहे
Yeah,
होंगे
yeah.
ऐसे.
But if you have to pick just one moment each, right?
करो अपने दिल की.
Yeah.
मैंने अपने दिल की है यार. No, I've never bothered about the outside world. मैंने अपनी दिल की ही की है. मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी अपने टर्म्स पे जी है. मैं ये डिनाई नहीं करूँगी और मैं आगे भी यही करती रहूँगी. तो मेरा तो मोटो ही ज़िंदगी का यही है, अपने दिल की करो. जो करना है करो. एक ज़िंदगी मिली है, जी लो.
क्या बात है, एकदम full power, huh? For you, Barkha ma'am?
For me, it will probably be, I think, when I wanted to become an actor, because everybody was against it. My whole family was against it. I come from a defense background. My dad was an army officer. सबने कहा नहीं मत करो, नहीं करने देंगे, नहीं हो पाएगा. I think that was the defining moment of my life when I said कि I'm going and I'm doing this. And here I am 20 years later. So that has been a life defining moment for me. So that is probably the only time, I mean the first time when I started following this thing that I'm going to do what I want. After that I only did what I wanted.
What a beautiful guts to glory story
But,
this is, huh? I think
yeah.
perfect.
Yeah.
For you both, क्या रहा है वो respective moments?
So this is one that I can recall. बहुत सारे हैं obviously,
Yeah.
थोड़े हैं, but this is one I can recall.
Yeah.
So when I was small, ऐसा अपना महाड़ा में there was some audition of Pizza Hut, an
Okay.
ad, and I was small. So for me as a kid it was like मैं छोटा था, कैसे पिज्जा खाते थे करके ऐसा. So there was an audition.
Yeah.
Room पूरा भरा हुआ था और बच्चों से, and I did that audition. And first take I did, and everyone started laughing at me. Like even the kids who were in the room, the casting director just started laughing at me. और फिर the casting director said कि ऐसे कौन खाता है ये वो ऐसा, एक और take. So I did that take, but second take में also I was like, I am feeling that, I'll do that.
Yeah.
मैं वैसे ही करूँगा. तो मैंने basically ditto same take वापस से किया second में. Even though they started laughing, then the moment I stepped outside, तो उधर बाहर everyone, बाकी लोगों के मम्मी पापा खड़े थे, मेरी मम्मी खड़ी. I stepped outside, started crying like crazy. I was telling mom, वो लोग मेरे ऊपर हंस रहे थे, मेरा audition बहुत खराब गया, ये वो ऐसा वैसा. And then next day I get a call कि okay, you're finalized, shoot over.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that is where I was like, okay, I can do whatever I want.
What my heart
A
tells
little
me
bit of
to
clap for you, him, please. Huh? Very sweet story. We'll finish the conversation with Riva's POV.
Well, I think mostly तो मैं अपने दिल की मर्जी करती हूँ. But the biggest मेरा जो मैंने किया था, मेरे दिल की मर्जी जो मैंने मानी थी, was कि I was finalized for this Tamil web series and they wanted me to swim. And I didn't know a single thing about swimming. मैंने आज तक पानी के अंदर गई ही नहीं हूँ. And mom बोल के आगे कि नहीं ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
Yeah.
She cannot swim. ये तो बस don't tell her. We'll not do this. And then I was like नहीं, मुझे ये करना है. Something in me just was like नहीं, ये तो चीज़ करनी है मुझे. That is a White Matter. Now it's already out. It's been long time it was out. And then I went home. I didn't tell her. I started learning swimming. I went to the swimming teacher in our building. I said कि आप मुझे swimming सिखाओ, लेकिन मुझे सीधा dive सिखाओ, क्योंकि कल मैं वापस जाके उनसे मिलने वाली हूँ और मम्मी मना कर देंगी, तो मुझे उनको हाँ बोलना है कि मुझे swimming आती है. And then मैंने सीधा dive सीखी and I went there and I said मैं करूँगी. And then they made me jump from 7-8 feet सीधा in the water and I was like, ये मेरा करो अपने दिल की मर्जी मोमेंट था कि वो तो अब करना ही है.
क्या बात है, fire, fearless spirit it is. Guys, on that note, this is what we actually call power, the power of 5. Disney Hotstar, January 17th is the date. इतना कमाल का कास्ट है, इतने इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरीज है, कैसे नहीं देखोगे आप लोग. हाँ, and on that note, देखना तो पड़ेगा. And on that note, प्यार से मैं ये कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड करूंगा, but before that, प्यार से कुछ तोहफा मैं आप लोगों के ले लाया. Can I have the gifts please? I have gift hampers for all of you. तो मैम ये रहा आपके लिए.
Thank you.
ये रहा आपके लिए.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm a very loving person, I believe in spirit.
Thank you
Yes,
so
we can
much.
see.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And
so much
pleasure.
for
And
this.
so guys, fantastic conversation indeed. The power of 5. Please जाके देखो. Disney Hotstar is the platform. 17 January onwards. जिसके साथ भी देखना है देखो. Girlfriend, boyfriend, partner, family, whoever it is. 17 January is the date. Mark, enjoy, have fun and give them all the love. May you all enjoy your pizzas and swimming dives, and most importantly, can make these people look even sexier. That is what it is. Thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you.
Take care. Stay safe. Thank you. That's a wrap on the Sunny G Show. This is your host Shubhajit, and I'll see you all with another interesting episode very soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
There we go.